Gujarat state. Sir, I am born in Hindu family and supported by the one Arab of the Saudi Arabia a few years back. With his support, I grown up to this level. And it's my nature that I am giving full importance and present and all the religion present in this world, whether it is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, or maybe Parsi. Recently, I gone through the Vipassana, which is nearest to the Buddhism. And I'm always in my nature that I always getting good principles and good things from the each and every religion existed in this world, whether it is Islam, whether it is the other things also. Nowadays, I am getting good principles, good lessons from the Islam right now. Sir, main thing is that those who are new entrants or new are learning the good principle of the any religion, getting good difficulties from the maybe his own family, maybe his own culture.
No.
Sir, I want to know that from your own experience that as the speaker has said that you are first following Buddhism, then you turn to the Islamism. Sir, from your own experience, we want to know that, especially I want to know that, what type of difficulties you face and which remedies you have applied to these things and overcome this situation, so that we can get the good knowledge of this kind.
No.
Thank you very much, sir.
Jazakallahu khair. Yes, when I become a Muslim, I have the fear towards my mom, not for my sibling, because my sibling, they are very open-minded. In our family, Chinese family, you have everybody. You have people who believe in Taoism, people who are Buddhism, people have no-ism, they are free thinker, and you have people, Christian, my sister is a Christian. But when I become Muslim, they are very open. As long as you know what is good for you, carry on. I only worry about my mother, because my father passed away before I became a Muslim, very young. He passed away in 1962, and I became Muslim in 1968. Yeah, I have the fear because I do not know how to explain to my mother. But alhamdulillah, after becoming Muslim, I learned about Islam. Then my scholar, my imam always said, you must go back. Go back to your family, talk to them. If they ask you, tell them. I'm worried, I'm scared that they will beat me up, you know. Because my mother used to beat the children. Even you are so big, he'll still beat you. But alhamdulillah, when I went back, I asked Allah to protect and give guidance to her. Then, of course, she loved me. I'm the youngest son, yeah? The youngest boy in the family. So she's worried that she will lose a son. I said, Mom, no, I am still your son. I'm back here. I'm your son. I'm a Chinese boy. I'm still Chinese. I'm not Arab. Even the Arab also don't accept me if I become Muslim as an Arab. You know, the Malay don't accept me as a Malay. I'm still a Chinese. I cannot change my race. The only thing that's different that I believe in Allah now. That's all. But she can't differentiate between Islam and the people. You see, a lot of people worried because they do not know how to differentiate between the Muslim and Islam, or race and religion. So I got to make them understand. After they understand, alhamdulillah, brother, I show them the good example. I'm very kind to them now. I never raise up my voice in front of my mother after I become Muslim. Before I'm Muslim, if she said one word I disagreed, I will shout at her. A word for a word. Everybody have right. You can shout at me, I can shout at you. That is my style before I'm a Muslim. But when I become a Muslim, I don't do that anymore, because Islam said haram for you to raise up your voice in front of your parent. You cannot even say, "Uff, wala tanharhuma wa qul lahuma qawlan karima." So I don't do that anymore. And my mom see the changes in me, that I become a better person. Then I asked my mom when she was cooled down, when she's okay, I said, Mom, who do you prefer? You prefer I before I become a Muslim or after I become a Muslim? Now she's very, very happy that I become a Muslim. She's proud that I become a Muslim. You must show good example to them. You must be honest and sincere to them. Show them that you love and you care for them, even they are not yet Muslim. But alhamdulillah, 2 years ago, my mother was very sick, and then I used to talk to her about Islam. She was staying with my sister, who is a staunch Christian. Alhamdulillah, we have no problem between the family. They love me to the extent that if I go back to my sister's house, she have a refrigerator, a fridge, halal fridge for me. One haram for her and one halal for me. Alhamdulillah. No, when you respect your religion, when you love Allah and follow the way of the Prophet, Allah will make things easy for you. وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. Allah said, if you are obedient to me, I will make things easy for you. So that's the only thing you have to do. You must show good example to them. Alhamdulillah, before my mother passed away, I managed to invite her to say La ilaha illallah shahada, and she made the declaration, and after a while she passed away. So may Allah forgive her and accept her, say mashallah. Yeah? So it's a long story. If I share with you, it will take another 3 hours. May Allah bless us. Just don't forget to pray for my other sibling, my sisters. Yeah, my brother, they are not yet Muslim. Even we try to talk to them about Islam, but they love me, and I love them too for the sake of Allah. I hope that they will become a Muslim. Every time I say, when you want to become Muslim, I know you love me if I come to Islam, but no, not yet, not yet. You know, because I love to eat a lot of haram food still, you see. I say, haram food is not a big problem for us. You make shahada first. Oh, shahada, so not yet, you see. Of course. Yeah, we believe what Allah said to Prophet Muhammad, Innaka la tahdi man ahbabta, walakin Allah yahdi man yasha. We cannot give hidayah to whom we like, because hidayah from Allah, our duty, wa ma alayna illa al-bala. Our duty is to convey. May Allah bless us, and may Allah bless the brother here and guide us all. Amin.